Many species were introduced to another different environment by humans. The majority of them did not survive due to the inability to adjust to the new environment. Those which thrived usually continued to reproduce. Such unintentional introduction often threatens native species and their natural habitats. And some of the invading species, such as the apple snail and red imported fire ant, have caused serious problems in Taiwan. These beautiful birds are red-billed blue magpies, which are native to China, the Indochina Peninsula, and India. They were found near the Wuling area in Taiwan in 2002. The red-billed blue magpie looks very similar to the Taiwan endemic species, the Formosan blue magpie. The observations have raised great concerns about the potential threat to the native species in Taiwan. Many people have urged government officials to take immediate action to prevent another ecological disaster. Formosan blue magpies live in mountain forest areas at elevations below 1,200 meters all over Taiwan. The breeding period is between March and July each year. The way Formosan blue magpies take care of their young is very unique and thus is called helpers at the nest, which means the fledglings are raised by the adults of the family. The family group consists of the direct descendants and their relatives. The red-billed blue magpie and the Formosan blue magpie not only look alike, but also share similar habitats, food habits, make similar sounds, as well as demonstrate similar behaviors to their youngsters. They both display strong territorial behavior. Look at how this squirrel, an uninvited visitor, was chased away by a flock of exotic magpies. One can tell the differences between the two similar species by examining the following: color of the head, the abdomen, the back, the iris, and the size of the body. There are also other characteristics to tell them apart. For example, the Formosan blue magpie has black on its head, whereas the red-billed blue magpie has a streak of white at the center of its head, and is white from the chest down. The feathers of the Formosan blue magpie are also a brighter blue color than the red-billed blue magpie. The Formosan blue magpie has crystal clear yellow color for its iris, whereas the red-billed blue magpie is orange, and the Formosan blue magpie is also larger in size. Red-billed blue magpies have been living in the Wuling area for 5 years, but it wasn't until 2006 that it was first reported by some birdwatchers and then the mass media. It then received immediate attention from the government. This exotic species, the red-billed blue magpie, was first found in the Wuling area in 2002. At that time, there were only 5 birds spotted, but now there are more than 20. In addition to the rapid reproduction, they also expanded their territory. Some of them will have 2 nests during the breeding season. When there were fewer natural predators where they lived, they would soon spread to other areas, which is a concern for many. Both the red-billed blue magpie and the species native to Taiwan, the Formosan blue magpie, belong to the family of Corvidae. Since they share similar habitats and food habits, if the red-billed blue magpie population continues to grow, their invasion will threaten the Formosan blue magpie. Of deep concern is potential hybridization between species, which will change the gene pool for the native species, the Formosan blue magpie. How did the red-billed blue magpie get to Taiwan? They are not capable of flying such long distances, nor do they migrate like other birds. They might have been smuggled into Taiwan and later abandoned by their owners, ending up in the Wuling area. In order to prevent the fast spread of the red-billed blue magpie population, which would be another exotic species invasion and cause a serious threat to the Formosan blue magpie's survival, in December 2006, after concerted efforts, the government decided to start to eradicate the exotic species in Taiwan.
红嘴蓝雀到台湾以后，假如说它没有跟台湾的特有的蓝雀杂交的话，它只是竞争台湾蓝雀需要的生存空间跟资源。那还好，这个问题还没有扩大之前，相关单位就采取了必要的措施。那这样子呢，也许就可以避免未来有更进一步问题的产生。
The staff of the Endemic Species Research Center observed red-billed blue magpies in the Wuling area and found that they are very aggressive in terms of guarding their territory, especially during the breeding season. When there is any threat nearby, they will make warning sounds to warn others. They have routine routes and areas they feed in. Their nests are found in this osmanthus tree, and one nest was spotted near the bus station with 4 eggs in it already. Maybe it is near hatching time. The parents are busy sitting on the nest and turning the eggs.